Here we are, party people. Still drizzly. But look, the cloud maker's busy. Got the cloud maker busy. Come over here. Got some holes in there and clouds over there. Some light shining through. Oh, it's creepy, crappy. Look, all these creepy, crappy. Creepy ones. Creepy clouds. What's the cloud maker? Look. Cloud maker's busy. Been kind of quiet lately. At least I haven't been able to capture it being busy. Just thought I'd share. Like this everywhere. Above me. Got some brakes.